Imagine yourself running for your financial life. That feels like a relentless predator, constantly on your heels. The bills pile up, the stress mounts, and escape seems impossible. But don't despair. Just like a graceful gazelle can outmaneuver a cheetah, you can manage your debt and achieve financial freedom. Welcome to Nature's Academy, where we learn valuable life lessons from the creatures around us. Today's topic: the gazelle's graceful escape, managing debt like a pro. The gazelle's survival instincts are key to its successful escape. Similarly, to manage debt effectively, you need a clear strategy. Here are some tactics inspired by the gazelle's agility. Be prepared. Just like a gazelle stays alert in predator-rich environments, be aware of your debt situation. Spot the danger early. Don't wait until debt becomes overwhelming. Identify your debts and analyze their interest rates and repayment terms. Choose your route wisely. Not all debts are created equal. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, using strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. By focusing your efforts and prioritizing high-interest debt, you can weaken the cheetah of debt and free up resources for other financial goals. The gazelle's escape isn't just about outrunning the cheetah. It's also about reaching a safe haven, a source of water in the financial world. Your safe haven is a strong financial foundation. Here's how to build your financial watering hole. Create a budget, just like a gazelle knows its limits. Track your income and expenses to see where your money goes. Cut back on unnecessary spending. Identify areas where you can reduce expenses, creating more room in your budget for debt repayment. Explore additional income streams. Consider freelancing, a side hustle, or selling unused items to generate extra income to tackle debt faster. By managing your spending and increasing your income, you create a financial watering hole that allows you to stay ahead of debt and reach your financial goals. The gazelle doesn't let the constant threat of predators paralyze. It remains calm and focused on survival. The same is true for managing debt. Here are some tips to stay focused and motivated. Set realistic goals. Don't overwhelm yourself with impossible deadlines. Break down your debt repayment into achievable steps. Celebrate milestones, track your progress, and acknowledge your achievements. Every dollar paid towards debt is a victory. Seek support. Talk to a financial advisor or a trusted friend for guidance and encouragement. By staying calm and focused, you can manage your debt with grace and perseverance, just like the gazelle navigating the savannah. With the right strategies and a determined spirit, you can escape the debt trap and achieve financial freedom. Imagine yourself not running for your life, but running towards your dreams. Whether it's a dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or simply financial peace of mind, the possibilities are endless once you've outrun the debt cheetah. Remember, you're not alone in this financial journey. There are many resources available to help you manage your debt and achieve your financial goals. At Nature's Academy, we believe in the power of knowledge and community. We offer valuable financial tips inspired by the natural world to help you navigate your financial journey. Join the Nature's Academy herd by subscribing to our channel. For more animal-inspired financial wisdom, we also love hearing from our viewers. Leave a comment below and tell us about your debt-free goals or what other financial challenges you'd like to see tackled with a natural touch. Thanks for joining us on this financial adventure. Remember, with the right approach and a little gazelle-like grace, you can manage your debt and run free towards your financial goals.